Recently, our company introduced a dry laser particle size analyzer. To ensure we maintain the highest standards, we rely on this new analyzer for precise particle size control. In this video, I will introduce the key components of this instrument and show you the exact workflow to operate it effectively. Before we start, understand this. In magnet production, we need small particles with a tight distribution. If the powder is too coarse or inconsistent, the magnet density and performance will suffer. That is why this analyzer is critical. Now, let's start the introduction. The system has three main parts: the control software, the analyzer unit, and the cyclone separator. First, the computer and software. This is the control center for parameters and results. Second, the analyzer unit. It operates in two stages. On top, we have the sample feeding system. It includes the hopper for loading powder and a vibratory feeder that controls the flow rate. Below, inside the main body, is the laser measurement zone. This is where the laser beam scans the falling particles to calculate their size. Third is the cyclone separator. It uses airflow to suck used powder into a collection bag, keeping the lab clean. Now, let's start the test. Step 1. Passivation. Place the powder into a plastic bag, seal it, and shake vigorously. This creates a thin oxide layer to prevent combustion during testing. Step 2. Power on. Turn on the analyzer and wait for the indicator to change from red to yellow. Then launch the software. Step 3. Loading. Take a small spoon or tool. Use it to spread the passivated powder evenly across the surface of the vibratory feeder. Avoid piling it up. A smooth, uniform layer ensures consistent feeding. Step 4. System check. In the software, turn on the optical concentration switch, check the focus, and press the focus button if adjustment is needed. Step 5. Measurement. Once focused, click Start Full Measurement. The analyzer will now run automatically. Results are typically ready within 30 seconds. Let's take a look at the results. As you can see, our standard is 3 and the measurement is 3.04. The data is extremely close to the target. Step 6. Cleaning. Finally, remember to clean the equipment thoroughly to remove any residual magnetic dust, ensuring accuracy for the next test. That covers the operation of the laser particle size analyzer. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. We will continue to share more professional knowledge about magnets and manufacturing in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!